Remove Diono Radian cover in minutes. Baby seat cleaning tips. To remove a Diono car seat cover, first remove the harness straps from the harness and pull them through the front, and unhook any pads or infant inserts. Next, detach the cover by unsnapping the corners and elastic loops, pulling the fabric out from the headrest and sides, and unhooking it from the seat shell and any elastic tabs. Finally, lift the front of the cover and pull the crotch buckle through the cover to remove it completely. Here are some step-by-step instructions. Remove the harness. Loosen the harness straps and pull them and any pads or inserts through the front of the seat. Remove the headrest cover. Lift the headrest to its highest position and pull the fabric out around it. Detach the fabric from the shell. Undo any snaps, hooks, and elastic loops connecting the fabric to the seat's shell. You may need to use a pen or similar tool to help guide the elastic around tabs. Unsnap and pull. Pull the fabric from the channels along the top and sides of the seat. Undo the snaps on the front and back, including the two near the child's hips. Remove the crotch buckle. Pull the crotch buckle through the cover. You may need to reach into the rear-facing belt path to undo a metal clip and slide it through the slot. Remove the final piece. Lift the front of the cover and pull it completely off the seat shell.